Hi all, welcome to AI Edu YouTube channel, and for today's AI Day, let's check about what is happening with Google and Apple. Recently there was news of like uh, due in court. Um, uh, Apple's executive uh, service chief ADQ was present in court for there is a course case is happening. Uh, he was present in federal court in Washington, which was part of Justice Department lawsuit against Alphabet, which is parent company of Google. Last year, US District Court judge ruled that Google has illegally held monopoly in online search market, and now the judge is looking to determine what penalties or action should be taken against such company. So regarding those decision or hearing, Q was present in court, and he during his testimony he added provided more updates like what is going with Apple regarding Google, that expect to add AI services from OpenAI, Perplexity, and Anthropic as search options in Google Safari browser. So as of now, if you in Safari there is a by default search engine available, which is Google. It seems I just got to know that Google pays the iPhone maker billions of dollars per year, as much as 20 billions per year back in 2022, according to testimony provided to be the default search engine on iPhones. So on Safari browser or iPhones, if you Google is by default search engine, and it's make great more search volumes, and it give more users for Google for their search engine related thing. But due to statement from Q that it's looking for alternative from OpenAI, Perplexity, Anthropic, there is a some havoc present havoc created, this news created havoc, and we can see in share market there is around 77% shares were down for Google during that day, and Apple's share also dropped, but not as much compared to Google, because for Apple's it's good news, and like for Google it's bad news, because like it will give alternative for Google's dominance in search engine. So uh, during lawsuit of that court hearing, Google, the major focus on Google practice for paying platform providers such as Apple to become default search engine on their platform. So also they have tried to go for alternative, that Google should remain the default search engine option on Safari. Sorry, Q said that he believed Google should remain default search option on Safari, and because there was already agreement happened from previous 20 years that, and if they opt out from that agreement, it will lose Apple will lose revenue shares. But that Google will remain by default, but it will have alternatives as well on uh, like mm, Apple product. Recently, there was news also that Google to sell its offline Chrome browser arguing that artificial intelligence will actually only ramp up the tech giants online and search dominance. Another option, the court is trying to do that order an end to the payment from Google to Apple and others for the default position on devices. So they're trying to mm, lower the dominance of Google in this search related area. Also, day by day, we already seeing the impact of AI. Many people, instead of trying to browse or search online, they try to use check details with like chat gpt or perplexity or different ai options. So it's already there is a decline over the search engines usage, but this news is kind of blow to google. So I know google will try to uh, they will try to go for like another option where they will, instead of, if they don't have chrome or google or low volume of google search, they will try to use go for alternative as well. So it's in near futures we don't know like what kind of different possibilities or alternative google and google user have, or google uh, uh, users or third parties which are using Google's search engine services. But it will be interesting to see that, because in August a decision is expected. So let's check what will happen in August. So that's it today for AI Day, and let's meet next time with another interesting topic. Thank you.